Hello pupils, it is reading skills lesson, yellow class. My name is Teacher Abby. Today we are going to read sound. We are going to read sound. Sound A up to Z. Now let us read together. A, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. Let us read again. Read with me. A, ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. Okay, you can practice reading yourself at home there. Now let us proceed with another exercise. After we have read sound A up to Z together, now we are going to read and write. Before we have read it, now we are going to read and write. So we are going to read and write sound A up to Fa. We are going to read and write sound A up to sound Fa. Now let us read together before you start copying. A, ba, ka, da, fa. Let us read again. A, ba, ka, da, fa. After we have read, now you are going to copy read sound A up to Fa yourself. You will start with the sound A, ba, ka, da, and fa. Now this is exercise 2. In exercise 2, you are going to write by yourself. In exercise 1, you rewrite, but in exercise 2, you are going to write yourself sound A up to sound Fa. After writing sound A up to Fa, now you are going to read and copy sound Fa, ga, ha. You are going to read and copy sound Fa, ga, and sound ha. Okay, this is lesson 2. After we have learned sound A up to Z, then we have rewrite sound A up to Fa, then Fa, ga, and ha. Now we are going to proceed with sound ja, ka, la, ma. In this lesson, we are going to read and copy. You read, then you copy. Now let us read together before you copy. Ja, ka, la, ma. Let us read again. Ja, ka, la, ma. Now we have learned sound A up to ma. Okay, exercise 1 in lesson 2. Exercise 1 in lesson 2, you are going to write sound A up to la. You are going to write sound A up to la. It means you are going to start A, ba, ka, up you reach to sound la. Exercise 2 in lesson 2. You are going to fill in the missing sound. You have given some sound there. Now you are going to fill the missed sound. There you have given a. Now you are going to fill the coming sound after sound a. As we have learned sound a, ba, ka, da at the previous lesson, now you are going to do this exercise by yourself. You are going to fill in the missing sound. You are going to fill. There we have sound a. Now you are going to fill after sound a. Let me do that one as example. After sound a is sound ba. After sound a is sound ba. After sound ba is sound ka. Now you are going to fill yourself after sound ka. What is the next sound? Then you are going to sound fa. After sound fa, what is the next sound? Then you are going to sound ha. After sound ha, what is the next sound? Then you are going to sound ka. After ka, what is the next sound? Then ma. After ma, what is the next sound? Exercise 3. In exercise 3, you are going to write the sound after. Sound after in another language, you call it the next sound. There we have a. You write after sound a. Then we have ka. You write the sound after sound ka. Then we have fa. You write the sound after sound fa. There we have sound ha. You are going to write the sound comes after sound ha. Then there you have sound ja. You are going to write the sound coming after sound ja. There we have sound ka. You are going to write the coming sound after sound ka. Exercise 4. Sound between. You are going to write the sound between. You have given the sound there, so you are going to fill the gap. For example, number 1, we have sound a dash ka. Now you are going to see which sound comes after sound a. You will fill it there. Then in number 2, we have sound da dash ga. You are going to fill the sound after sound da. Then we have ha dash ka. You are going to fill the sound after sound ha. Then we have sound la dash na. You are going to fill the sound after sound la. There we have sound ka and fa. You will find what the sound comes after sound ka. Then you will fill there. There we have sound ga and ga dash ja. You are going to fill the sound comes after sound ga. Thank you for listening. See you to the another lesson.